What if you can improve yourself 1% every single day? Well, this is an idea created by James Clear, and in this he shares that every single day you should improve yourself 1%. And you can really achieve anything you want by implementing this every single day. Well, you can learn a new skill or a new tactic that you want to improve every single day. With this, you will be able to increase your efficiency and your workload, as we have discussed on the previous videos on the channel. So if you use this rule every single day that you want to get 1% better, you can actually get 37% better every single year. Wow, this is just amazing. And would you be important and would you like to see yourself improve every single day? Well, I would like to see this. As my goal states, I want to help talented personalities become a digital coach. I can improve this 1% daily by creating something new and implementing something new to my business and to my strategy to improve this and become a digital coach. So most people don't really implement this and don't follow this. And I don't say I follow this completely, but I really want to improve and really want to share this with the world and want to work together to follow this together as everyone to improve our day 1% daily. Even though you don't have a great impact every single day, but is there harm in 1% daily? Well, I believe it's very important to do this every single day. And it's such an amazing concept that I really believe in it, and I always have it written somewhere near my desk. So I really believe you should set aside some time for your hobby and what you want to improve in every single day. Whether for me it's like coaching or my business, and implement new tactics and skills to it as I learn every single day. Well, have this time off so you can improve and learn more, and always try to learn in this time and have a goal for the end of the day. So my goal is to blank. So every single day you can achieve 1%, and this concept's really powerful and can change how the way you think and how you can improve yourself. So that was the video for today. Click on this video to check out new stuff and press the subscribe button right over here so you can check out new different ways that you can improve yourself and help become a digital coach in the new era. So I hope you liked the video, and I hope to see you in the next one, and comment down below how you can improve yourself every single day 1%. Thank you for watching.